Many Nigerians, many female Nigerians are very stubborn. Brother Mike have won many of you so many times, but you people not listening to him. Some of you insult him, but the truth is that the truth always stand the truth. The truth is that what all the things Brother Mike used to say is true. Because assuming most of these girls are listening to him, they will not be victim of this thing I want to show you today. I know many girls are passing through this kind of thing, but I know most of people need money, but if they need money, you have to look for money legitimately. You don't just expect money to come to you just like that. Money is not something that you can get fast. You have to work for it. So please watch the video to the end and don't forget to subscribe.
Love Cruz.
Yes.
What is this? What happened to you?
Today.
Jesus.
Today, I met this guy on Tinder. I went to see him yesterday. So he said he wants to sleep with me and give me money for me to take care of myself in school.
Jesus.
So I agreed to it, and he said he will not use condom. The guy dropped me. I started feeling stomach pain.
Jesus.
Before you know it, I started bleeding.
Jesus.
I started bleeding.
Hey! Blood.
And I've seen my period for this month. So I was just thinking maybe my period came back again. The next thing I saw was I was getting sensational movement. And then I opened it.
So wetin be this wey you pour for your laps wey be like oil?
This olive oil. I've been using the olive oil to pray.
Sorry. 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 You are even coughing out maggots with blood at the same time. Have you reached out to your parents?
No.
Lord.
As you have watched the video, like, share, comment, and click the notification bell so you are going to meet up with our new updates. Brother Mike is one of the gifts God has given to us. People should appreciate him. Share this video till you get to him so you can talk more about this video. Listen to him.